This is fifth chapter of 8th class. Topic is models. Define of model is model verbs are auxiliary verbs like can, will, could, shall, must, would, might and should. Modal verbs add meaning to the main verb in a sentence by expressing their possibility, ability, permission or obligation. So there are so many models. Today we will discuss about the can, could and may. I will, I, I will tell you about the can, where we use can as a possibility, ability, permission and obligation. So here is the example of can is the doctor can see you now. So there are some different categories how can is used. फर्स्ट इज़ एबिलिटी टू डू समथिंग इन द प्रेजेंट. आपकी अगर कोई क्षमता है, कुछ आप कर सकते हैं प्रेजेंट में, तो उसे हम एबिलिटी के लिए कैन यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश, मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ. नेक्स्ट इज़ परमिशन. परमिशन के लिए परमिशन टू डू समथिंग इन द प्रेजेंट. व्हेन यू डू परमिशन, give permission or take permission as in the present time, they can use can I go to the cinema. Next is request. request के लिए can कब use होगा. Example, can you wait a moment please. So this is an request. Offer, I can lend you my car till tomorrow. दिस इज़ एन ऑफ़र कि मैं आपको अपनी कार कल तक के लिए दे सकता हूँ. सजेशन. एग्जाम्पल इज़ कैन वी विज़िट ग्रैंडमा एट द वीकेंड. ये सजेशन है कि क्या हम ग्रैंडमा के घर इस वीकेंड में जा सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज़ पॉसिबिलिटी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट कैन गेट वेरी हॉट इन एरिज़ोना. कि पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकता है कि वहाँ पे गर्मी हो. फॉर कुड, हाउ वी विल यूज़ कुड इन द एज अ मॉडल इन द सेंटेंसेस एज एबिलिटी टू डू समथिंग इन द पास्ट. बट कैन, in can we use the can for present and could is used for past. as we can see, I could speak English. मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकता था. In permission also, permission to do something in the past. For example, I could go to the cinema. In polite request, as you see in the in can, we use polite words. Politely we can ask for everything. Then can में can से ज़्यादा politely हम sentences में कुड के लिए यूज़ करते हैं पोलाइट क्वेश्चंस, पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट, पोलाइट ऑफर, पोलाइट सजेशन एंड पॉसिबिलिटी. कुड ज़्यादा पोलाइटली यूज़ होता है एज कंपेयर टू कैन इन एवरी सिचुएशन. लाइक पोलाइट क्वेश्चन, कुड आई गो टू द सिनेमा प्लीज़. इन पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट, कुड यू विजिट माई हाउस टू प्लीज़. पोलाइट ऑफर, I could lend you my car till tomorrow. Polite suggestion, could we visit grandma at the weekend. Possibility is it could get very hot in the Montana. May is used as in for may we can use some situation, some things like possibility, permission and polite suggestion. So as in may, possibilities example is it may rain today. आज बारिश हो सकती है. in for permission to do something in the present, to be allowed, जो permission हमें allowed हो चुकी है उसके लिए हम may यूज़ करेंगे. And for polite suggestion, may I help you. It means क्या मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प कर सकता हूँ. So like this you can use different sentences, different models as compared to the sentences. So here is the exercise for your question related to this only may, could and can. You can do. Book exercise is, see the question number first. Complete these sentences with can, could or may. This is the book exercise. You have to do it in your fair notebook. First sentence is, mother, I am awful hungry. I eat another slice of coconut cake. So this is a request. This is a request. You can use, for request you can use any word which is suitable for this sentence, can, could or may. So this exercise is done by you in your fair notebook.